The United States President Donald Trump has signed an executive order to cut funding to the federally funded news organization Voice of America, Vharwa, accusing it of being anti-Trump and radical. Sadabina mashoko ashamisa vanhu avachona kuti aiwa studio 7 panguva ino aiwa ichishatiwa down zvashamisa vanhu noda kuti aiwa ndiyo yaimbopa vanhu especially vagari munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa information chaicho inenge ichiitika background, especially now the politics. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timenda pamamuna vamuchinzi Vharwa operates Studio 7, the US-based Zimbabwean news service, which has been broadcasting from Washington, D.C. since 2003. Studio 7 was established to provide independent and critical news coverage for Zimbabweans, countering the dominance of state-controlled media, which has long been used as a propaganda tool by the Zimbabwean government. Since its inception, Studio 7 has filled a critical gap in Zimbabwe's media landscape, offering alternative perspectives on political developments, governance, human rights, and socio-economic challenges. In a country where press freedom has been severely restricted, Studio 7 has served as an essential platform for voices that are often suppressed in state media. Over the years, the station has provided in-depth reporting on election rigging, human rights violations, corruption, and the deteriorating economic situation, giving Zimbabweans access to information that the government often censors. With the state media continuing to serve the interests of the ruling elite, the closure of Studio 7 would leave a significant void in the fight for press freedom and democratic discourse in Zimbabwe. Domashkwatona vanhu vodemba votigreta vachiti akubva kuita Studio 7 vanhu vachanzi kuwana information aiwa iri critical, information inoonekwa kunzi aiwa nyako ma-state control media sakwanisi kuipubliciza. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kuti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section menu kudze mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, so to the bell icon.